For your lesson this week, you have been asked to draw a face following the rules of proportion. In this video, I'll show you how to draw out a simple grid which will help us put the elements of the face in the correct place. Here is a face I drew earlier using this technique. You can pause the video as you follow along. It is also useful to look at pictures of people's faces in photographs, magazines, or even looking at yourself in the mirror. This will help you to draw the eyes, nose, and mouth. What you'll need for this video is a pencil, a rubber, and a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, you can make one just using a strip of card, so you've got something to draw straight lines with. And mostly in this video, I'm going to be using measurements. That's going to be 1 inch. So on my ruler, I've got inches and centimeters. If you don't have inches on your ruler, you can use centimeters. So you can also use, I would say, using about 3 centimeters instead of using 1 inch. We're going to make this reference down the side and draw lines across the face, lines across to make the face. So for this, I've used 1 inch, but you could also use 3 centimeters. It just needs to be the exact same each time you do it. Again, if you don't have a ruler and you want to make one from card, you can just use the distance between the top of your thumb and to the joint where it bends. So I marked that out earlier here, and that is measurement of 3 centimeters. So you can create a ruler by marking along a strip of card that distance, and then that can help you drawing out these lines. So I'm going to start on a fresh piece of paper, and it is a little bit tricky, so it's useful to have a rubber if you go wrong and you want to try out doing it again. It took me a few different times to get this right, so it's useful to have a rubber. So here we go. So to start off with, we're going to be drawing the grid, which is going to help us get the face in proportion. So I'm going to draw a line which is 8 inches long along the side of my page, just here. And then I'm going to know that halfway across that line of 8 inches, 4 inches is going to be in the middle. So here, 4 inches, I can just draw a line out there. So from here, from this line, again, I'm going to measure 4 inches at the top, at the middle, and at the bottom of each line. Oh, sorry, 3 inches. Make a little dot, and again at 6 inches, a little dot. Again, from those dots in the middle, we want to draw a centre line. So joining up all 3 in the centre, and they were all 3 inches in from the side. So it looks a little bit like that. Next up, we want to do at 1 inch increments all along here.